What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another freaking video. Hey y'all, I'm still trying to get a hang of recording on this camera or whatnot, so bear with me. But y'all, today we have a very fun video. So y'all, I live in Texas and it does not snow. It does not snow. It's like hell on earth, you feel me? So y'all, today it finally freaking snowed and I'm so excited. So I'm like so glad to show you guys a special moment of the snow being here. And yeah, so we finna get into it. I'm about to go outside, take some pictures first, and then I'm gonna start vlogging for you guys. Cause I gotta be careful, cause it's very slick. Like in Texas, snow is more like icy snow. It's not like how I call it. It's not like cotton snow. So this is like the first time in years it's never like ever since I've been born, it's never been this freaking thick outside. So let's get to it. Might even make a snowman, y'all. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I greatly appreciate every single one of y'all. Mwah. Okay guys, so you already know it's your girl IndicaTV, y'all. I'm recording a little voiceover because I accidentally recorded this whole video in slow motion. So just bear with me, y'all. But basically, y'all, this is all the snow and stuff like that has came down. Looks like a freaking winter wonderland, okay? So yeah, super very, 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 very pretty. As you guys can see, there's already footprints outside, so people already have been exploring the snow. There goes me and my beautiful face. But yeah, so with this clip, y'all, I'm just showing y'all all the snow, and I'm gonna like speed it up because you guys won't be able to hear me, unfortunately. But yeah, enjoy the music and the speed up. Love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.
You say you want real boy, show me what you got now. Coming right now.
On this clip, y'all, I was just showing y'all some idiot, like, literally driving the snow, like, dumb nuts. Please don't do this, guys.
This could take some time.
Me and Simba are gonna go outside in the snow. You excited, Simba? I'm gonna go outside in the snow, y'all. Okay. Alright, y'all. Come on, Simba. Look at this snow, y'all. It's slowly starting to melt. But I will connect this clip as the last one. You guys will know what happened in the voiceover. But it's super pretty. Simba, what are you doing? Stop. Don't be eating the snow. Oh, look at somebody's cat down there. You guys can't see it, but it's like right over there. So Simba, he loves the snow, as you guys will see in the clips. But y'all, it's so freaking thick, y'all. Look how satisfying this is, like, to just walk in it. It's like has a crunch to it, and I love it. Like, look, y'all, it's so freaking cool. Look at the roofs. It's starting to melt, y'all. So I'm gonna hurry up and just show you guys the neighborhood real quick, just so I can, y'all, this is so freaking satisfying. And look at Simba, probably over there trying to eat it, knowing him. So we gotta be careful, guys, because in Texas, it's more like an icy snow. It's more like ice, you know? So we gotta be careful when it comes to walking and things. There's Simba. He's grown behind. Look at him. Come here, Simba. Come here. You see? Like the snow? Like the snow? Oh! He's more scared of y'all than y'all scared of him. Yo, look at him. He's just dashing through the snow. But yes, y'all. Y'all see it? It's so freaking pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. Like all the houses and people walking in the snow. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna go to the backyard. I'm still marking his territory like normal. I'm gonna go in the backyard, y'all, to make a snowman real quick. But yes, y'all, I am super happy. Hold on. I'm so freaking happy, y'all. I love the snow because I don't get to experience it. Like, I live in freaking Texas, so when it comes, I become like a big kid again, and I just love it. It's never ever snowed like this. I lived in the same house my whole life, guys, believe it or not, and it's never snowed like this. Like, not even trolling, like, it's never snowed this. Like, it snowed before, but not like this. Like, this is thick. Come on, Simba. Simba, come here. Y'all see him in the back being grown. But yes, y'all, it is so freaking thick. So I'm gonna hurry up and like try to make this snowman with you guys. Okay, so I'll get right back to you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is so freaking pretty. It's a winter wonderland. We need to put back on up our Christmas tree, you feel me? Yeah, we're gonna get a little more Christmas presents. Yeah, we need to do that. Cause what? Simba! Look at this badass dog. Simba! Simba! Come here! He's peeking around the corner. Come here, boy! Because I will leave him. He thinks this is a game, fucking with me. Simba! Come here! Simba! He thinks it's a game. But, yeah, so I'm gonna go in the backyard. I'm gonna, like, try to make a snowman real quick because I think my camera's gonna die. So, let's just hurry up and do that. Alright, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys. Okay. Alright, guys, so this is another unfortunate clip that I got cut off, but basically I'm just showing you guys the snow on the side of the house, how deep it was and stuff like that. Very pretty bushes. It's just like, I feel like I'm in a dream, y'all. This was such a cool experience. That's done. Oh my god, Mom.
There's a lot of it. Oh,
y'all,
wow.
we just got snow.
Like, look how
Y'all
thick
see how
it is.
thick it is?
And it's still coming
Simba,
down.
you're not trying to
Simba's
go?
not gonna go.
Yeah, I thought you like outside.
Like, what the fuck is this?
I thought you like outside. Yeah, go outside now.
There you go.
Look at this little ball.
Yeah, he has to go. Look at that.
He's so cute.
He is so cute with his little snow
Oh
boots
my
on.
god. Yo, look at this.
He's cocked up. He's doing his business. Good job, Simba.
He's having. You like the snow? You like the snow? You like the snow, Papa? Yo, look at this, yo. It's so freaking cool. So I'm gonna build the snowman real quick before it starts to melt, as it already is. Oh, y'all, look at these icicles. I didn't even see these. Look at that, y'all. Look at the icicles. Say hi, Simba. Hi. Alright, y'all. Let's try to do this really quick for the vlog. Look, trying to pee. Boy, your pee gonna be frozen by the time you do that. Look at him. This is bad. Come on, boy. Yo, look at the snow. It's so thick, y'all. This is hella super thick, y'all. All these rocks are basically covered. Super thick. Look at the trees. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. Look at him.
think we're kind of done with this one. Alright, I think we're kind of done with this one.
Okay, guys, so with this clip, I was trying to show y'all Simba's paws after him going out in the snow in the backyard. Like, look how these big old chunks of ice just stuck onto his fur. Like, I don't know what was going on. Could somebody please explain this in the comments? Why does his fur do that? Like, it was just so funny. And just look at him. He just looks all innocent. But yeah, I think basically I was explaining to you guys that I was going to blow dry it and let the ice melt off and so forth. And yeah, so be right back. Okay. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry because I don't want my camera to die. Okay, this is gonna be a very ghetto snowman. Luckily, we have a trampoline, and Simba here doesn't mess it up. Okay, it needs to be like circles, huh, guys? So big circles. Big circle. Big circle. This is more like a oval, or I don't know, a base. I'm gonna throw a snowball at you. Stop. Okay, y'all. Alright. Making progress. Kind of like making a circle in some shape or form. Make a little circle on top. Oh god. Gotta like, cause it's so soft. Okay. How do y'all make circles in the freaking snow? Or what do you call it? Spheres. It's like, it's so soft. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. I think we're getting, stop, boy, stop! Stop! Simba, I'm gonna, come here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me see. Y'all, this is not gonna be the most It's gonna be the most ghetto stuff ever. I'm trying to like make it to where it's like. Okay, frick it. We're just gonna like build up on this, okay? How about that? We're just gonna build it. We're just gonna build up on it. So it's gonna be like, boom. You know what I mean? It's gonna be like, it's just gonna be like a big mountain. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to, but it's like, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to make it a sphere. Alright, y'all, my hands are getting cold, so let me try to hurry up. We're just gonna make a big mount, and then we'll get some eyes and stuff. Go. It's just gonna be a big old mountain. Yeah, it's not as. Yeah. Y'all can see everything, right? Yes, y'all can see. Hold on. Yes, y'all can see. Okay, cool. Okay. So y'all, we're gonna make it like a big mountain somewhere. Cause it's like, just keeps falling. So we'll just smooth it out here. I'll add one more layer. Well, we're at 2 more layers. Really quick, guys, cause my hands are freezing. Y'all, look at all this snow. Ah! It's so cold. Alright, y'all. This is gonna be the last one. Alright? And then we gotta get into details here. Alright, boom. So details. Let me see. Let me see. Woo! Y'all, how do kids do this? Alright, y'all, we need eyes, guys. Look at me, good eyes. Dang, I don't know what would be good eyes, guys. Let me see. Let's see if this one works. Cause it's so hard. Cause it's all stuck together. Lord, we need eyes. Guys, comment a suggestion. I don't know. Let's see. Woo. Okay, guys, I think I got some eyes. Hold on. Oh yeah, we got some eyes. Look, there we go. Here's his eyes, and then we need a nose. Dang, I need a stick. Mom, can you go break off a branch out in the front? Hold on, wait. I think I got something. Y'all, this is gonna be our nose here. I don't know how long it's been dead, but basically we try to use these as eyes. My mom gave me some pennies, so I got them out. So let me show you guys real quick. I'll just zoom in. Alright, y'all, so this is our snowman. I know, hopefully you guys see in the video that it was just so hard. But that's
that's a mouth. Oh, okay. Nice.
And then look, you can have a little hat or something.
No, that's not cute.
Yes. There you go. It's a hat.
Okay. There you go.
Look at that, y'all.